Max, Lily, Emma, and Jack loved playing in Sunnyvale Park. They had picnics, ran around, and played games, but always left a mess behind. One day, as they were about to leave the park, they heard a gentle voice. It was Mr. Bubbles, the magical bubble maker who lived in a tree nearby. "Children," he called out, "please help keep the park clean. It's our friend, and we must take care of it." Max and his friends felt bad about the mess they had made. Mr. Bubbles handed them each a special bubble wand. "These wands will help you clean up and make it fun," he said. With a wave of their wands, magical bubbles appeared, picking up trash and placing it in bins. The children laughed and danced as the bubbles cleaned up the mess. When they finished, the park looked beautiful again. Mr. Bubbles thanked them and gave them each a golden bubble. "Remember," he said, "cleaning up after yourselves keeps our world clean and happy." From then on, Max, Lily, Emma, and Jack always cleaned up after themselves.